Hey guys, welcome to Long Here. Today I'll be showing you how to write an article on the ChatGPT AI. And now, without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, to write an article on the ChatGPT AI, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in chat.openai.com like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the login page of ChatGPT. First, let's verify we're human, and let's sign into our ChatGPT account. And I will be continuing with the Google account myself. You can see, guys, we have successfully logged into our ChatGPT. This is the home interface of the ChatGPT. So I'll be turning on the light mode, for instance. Now, in order to write an article on the ChatGPT, first there are two or three things you need to know. That is, ChatGPT will generate an article based on the title or the topic of the article you give it, and the extra data which you want the ChatGPT to input on the article. You should provide it to ChatGPT with clear instructions. For example, let's go and write in an article on why is Facebook awesome. And so, why is the Facebook app awesome? This is our title for the article. So in order to do, or in order for the ChatGPT to write an article on this topic, so let's go with the input, like write an article on why is Facebook app awesome, and code the topic or the title of the article on the quotation marks like these. And after that, if you want to provide some another facts, let's go with and include the facts. Facebook has been updating itself for the better use by ordinary people as well. And after you have entered your topic and include the facts, you have included your facts like this. Hit on the airplane icon on the side of the screen, and it will start to generate an article based on your inputs. You can input many of the facts, including which you want to write at, like this. You can see it has started to generate the article, and it's saying Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, and for good reasons. And you can see this is somehow related to our title, why is Facebook app awesome, and it's still generating. And you can see we had included the fact that Facebook has been updating itself for the better use by the ordinary people. And you can see there is this fact included: Facebook has been updating itself for the better use by ordinary people as well. And with these things, you can see all this awesome article written by the ChatGPT, and you can optimize it. And let's go with another article for just an example, and you will get a better grasp of it. So let's go with the article on write an article on WHO, including the facts. Go with the quotations marks, and let's write the full form of it: World Health Organization. And let's go with the facts, like including the facts like WHO has been researching on a wide range of medications for the betterment of the health overall of the world. And you can see this is the article topic, and we want to include the facts like WHO has been researching on a wide range of medication for the betterment of health for over all of the world. And with that being said, this is the fact. You can include other facts like, and also because of WHO's research, the world is a better place with better medicines. And with that being done, let's hit on the airplane icon, guys. And you can see the ChatGPT has started to write an awesome article giving the informations about WHO and including our facts. You can see the World Health Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations that is for the international public health, and founded in 1948. WHO's mission to build a better world, healthier future for people, which is inevitably connected or is a part of our facts as well as our topic. So let's wait for the AI to generate an awesome article. And you can see these facts, which means WHO is able to develop new drugs and vaccines that save lives and improve the health of the people living with chronic conditions. This is somehow related to our topic. And there, guys, you can see we have generated two awesome articles from the chat GPT. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please comment in the comment section below. But before that, this is how you generate or write an awesome article with the chat GPT Open AI. This is how you write an awesome article with the ChatGPT OpenAI online from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.